Mr. Mayowa, kindly share your financial ethics with me. That is, what you do ethically on daily basis as a financial coach. Example, eating outside, how to spend money in parties, event, and giving. Another example, impulse buying, attitude, etc. Okay. This is part of the question we got at Money Matters Summit 2024, where I hosted Dr. Olumide Emmanuel. It was an amazing session. We both broke down how to make money, how to manage money, and how to multiply money as a business person and also as an entrepreneur or as a career person. It was an amazing session. If you missed that 6 hours intensive training, you want to make sure you click on the link in the description for you to get your copy and watch it again and again. Or you call the number scrolling on the screen, displaying on the screen right now for you to have access to the video. Okay? It's going to be an amazing experience for you. So to this question, Number 1, have a budget. You see, even as a financial coach, you can know the rule, the principles, and not do them. And principles are universal. So when it comes to success, becoming financially successful, number 1, you must have a budget. So when it comes to budgeting, you have to put in the necessary bills that you need to spend in every single day or every single month, so that it becomes a system that you are following. So let me give you an example. Okay, whenever I'm going to a party, I want to spend X amount of money if I have to. That is if I have to. Okay, if this person is requesting money from me, I must have put it in my budget that every single month my giving budget is X amount of money. Likewise, if my wife and I want to stock the house, we talk about it and we have a budget, approved and agreed budget for it, that for the month. Okay, so all of this is embedded in budgeting, so it becomes a blueprint for your financial pattern that you can follow and repeat. So when any request comes in this order, this is what I do. For example, I'm a believer and I trust God that is the one that is blessing me, so I don't joke with tithe. So when I pay my tithe, then the next thing I want to make sure I do is that I put in my necessary investment systems, putting money into my automated investment system. Currently I'm running 6 investment systems for myself, and I'm trusting God that is going to grow to minimum 15 in the next few years. Okay, but right now I have structured 7 systems that can make me a billionaire in a little time. So I need to keep servicing that part. So let's say, for example, my salary is 100,000 naira. Okay, so I need to make sure that that fraction that I have structured for my future must be taken care of. So every money that comes to your hand and that comes to my hand in this case now is already planned. So somebody can tell me and say, hey, somebody this, oh, I need 10 million. I said, no, I already have a plan, because I have an investment structure that I need to service minimum every single month, and I can't give such amount of money out if it's not in my plan. So you have to be deliberate so that you know how to take care of your future. Don't forget that every money that comes into your hand has a seed version and has a bread version. That is what you're going to eat now. So a lot of time people have eaten their seed and their future will pay for it. So you have to have this kind of plan, and which is what I run. So to also talk about impulsive spending, I don't do impulsive spending. As a matter of fact, when money comes into my account, it must spend an average of 24 hours before spending, 12 to 24 hours before spending, because a lot of time there are always requests that will come to you. You must be careful, you must be intentional to have listed out what you want to solve before the money comes. And like I do tell a lot of my protege, that the money is spiritual and it honors the universe. That order honors the universe. Okay, so the universe is already looking for who to give money to, but the question is there a need that you have listed out? And that's why the Holy Book says, write the vision, make it plain, so that those that see it will run with it. The people that see it are not people that have high physical highs only. There are also people that will see it with spiritual highs, and part of that is the universe. So the universe is looking for who needs money to pay to buy a land, who needs money to buy a car. The universe is looking for all those things. So some of these need to have been penned down, so that when the money comes, or when you see the bag that you want to buy, you don't just buy it if it is not part of your need. And I'll give you a friend, one of my friends experience, which he's still battling with. This man is over 40 right now, and was sharing that one of his headache is his wife. He is more prudent, the wife is a bit, and that's how life is. That's how marriage is. One person will be more prudent, the other person will be a bit spending. Okay, so he said the wife loves buying bags and all of that, and is eating into his resources and the family resources, that to the extent that she bought 2-3 bags and never knew that she had them. Imagine. So some of these bags, as he told me, they are not based in Nigeria. Some of these bags, she has she doesn't use them. So imagine not using a bag and you have bought it and you never knew you bought it 8 months ago or a year ago, but because you've not used it, she bought it twice. And he said that even to an extent that particular the wife, have to even buy clothes in such scenario. So such person needs to manage the impulsive buying, so that he will not use his money to buy off so many things that will take care of now and the future will be affected. So for impulsive buying, I have a plan of what I want to spend on. Like for example, if you send me ₦1 billion right now, there is a need for it now. There's still a project that came to my desk yesterday that I had to put on my waiting list. So if you send me $1 billion right now, it will only spend 12 to 24 hours in my account. If you come back after 24 hours, it has gone to all those places. Okay, so you must be deliberate, not just because I am a finance coach, but because I know where I am going. Okay, so please, these are the areas these are the areas, the patterns I follow.
Are you feeling stuck and overwhelmed by financial challenges and unsure of how to scale your business to a new heights? The Money and Business Growth Package is a comprehensive solution designed to turn your aspiration into a reality. Get access to our exclusive courses on money and business, which include Money Mindset, Skills to Make Money in This Century, Money Capsule Series, Habits to Build Wealth, Know, Like and Trust Model Concept of Sales, and lots more. Call 0904 999 0004 or 0904 999 0005 to get started.
Then eating outside. Yes, I eat outside, especially when I want to go out with my family. We have one or two outings every single month, okay, that we go outside, we enjoy, we spend the money. You know, sometimes we could enter into 3, but a lot of time it's the third one is maybe because we went out and we are not able to get home, then we eat out. But the normal structure is once or twice every month, and there's a budget for it. So eating outside is not economical, okay? It's not economical because it allows you to spend more, and if you don't have a structured budget for eating, you're going to be eating outside your budget. And if you don't take care of your budget, you will suffer for it in the future. If you have a budget and you didn't take care of it, what it means is that you will be going through a pain, because there are 2 types of pain: pain of discipline and pain of regret. You're going to be suffering from the pain of regret. And as you're listening to me right now, if you know what you are meant to do and you are not doing it, you need to start doing it, because in the next 2 years, in the next 5 years, there is a pain called the pain of regret that will keep hitting on you. So please, let it be a pain of sacrifice, the pain of making it happen. That should be the pain I recommend you go through. So follow these that I've shared with you, listen to this video over and over again, and I think I've been able to help you. I look forward to seeing you in the next episode. My name is Mayowa Owolabi. Don't forget to click on the subscriber button so that and notification bell, so that anytime we upload this kind of videos, you will never miss out of it. And don't forget, the recording of the Money Matter Summit 2024 is already available. You can call the number on the screen, or you click on the description below to get the link so you can make payment. I look forward to seeing you in the next episode. My name is Mayowa Owolabi. Peace out.